As a sound therapist, a sound healer, the voice has always been the most important instrument that I use in my treatments. Of course, I also like to include the medicine of the drum, the ocean drum, the rattles, the monochords, and of course the tuning forks too. What I shared with you in this course is my experience of working with my voice and allowing it to guide me and accompany me as a healing tool.
Yeah.
And as you continue to practice on how to use your voice in a treatment, you will establish a relationship with your voice that will lead you to discovering other ways to offer this special, very special medicine.